It's been a hard day's night, and I've been working like a dog. She loves you, yeah, yeah, yeah. She loves you, yeah, 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 yeah. I wanna hold your hand. I wanna hold your hand. I wanna hold your hand.
The show was absolutely amazing.
They were just brilliant, absolutely. And when they came out as Sergeant Pepper's, well, that was it. Blew me away.
Sergeant Pepper's Lonely Hearts Club Band. We hope you will enjoy the show. Lady Madonna, baby at your breast. Wonders how you manage.
The closest you're gonna get to the Fab Four.
It was absolutely fantastic.
It was a brilliant night. We were dancing, we were singing.
They were so good.
Na, na, na.